So hello guys, welcome back to Tibor's vlog. Today I have just some couple of tasks with the P.Daddy, of course, because the Corona video is dropping tomorrow. Right now I have worked until now it's 6 p.m. I have worked with the P.Daddy Promotion P.Daddy.com. So the P.Daddy.com website is going to have merch for the from the label. It's going to look crazy dope with the panda with its drip on, and you're going to have all kinds of products. And the main products is going to be a collab with the Champion. So we're pretty proud and stoked about that. So that product and merch is going to look fire. So we're going to drop the merch and the website for P.Daddy, where we're going to have the information on all the artists, and then we're going to also have, of course, the merch, links to all the social media platforms, and upcoming gigs and shows we're going to have in the future. So that is a website you should save in your browser to keep updated and also get the sickest merch in the game. You're going to see what I'm talking about when I'm going to put a link in the description down below on tomorrow's video, and that is also when the Fuck Corona song is going to drop on P.Daddy Promotions YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description to that YouTube channel right now in this video. So please, tomorrow, keep your timer on 23:59 Eastern Time to be the first one to see the Corona music video and song drop, so everybody can just see what the fuck P.Daddy is up to. Right now, guys, I'm going to take you guys with me over to Mo's Vlog's house, where he is sitting with John Pepper. He's sitting there with John Pepper to edit the video, put effects on it, do it fucking perfect, look through all the videos we have done and all the settings. And as you know, John Pepper is the CMO in P.Daddy, so he has to deliver on this one. This is the first product he is doing for the P.Daddy. So I'm very much looking forward how he's tackling this this task and how the outcome is going to be. He's also working with one of the owners in P.Daddy, Mo's Vlogs, and he's like the head and teacher of marketing in this corporation, P.Daddy. So they are working together now. They have been working together from like 11 a.m. Until now. So it's like 7 hours. So straight from editing. So I think the outcome is going to be crazy. I'm going to give you guys like 3 to 4 second peek in this video, not too much, so you guys can be really stoked and ready to see the outcome tomorrow. But stay tuned. Right now I'm going to jump on my bicycle and then just go over to Mo's Vlog's house and catch up with you guys there. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, that was the training for today. So now I'm at the place. So stoked to see the music video. Let's see what the guys are doing. Hello.
What's up?
What's to do, man?
Bro, we are editing the music video. It's
Okay.
coming together very nicely. Me and Mo have been working all day.
Yeah, man.
And everything's looking much better.
You wanna see?
Are you finished?
We finished editing, but now we
Now the effects?
No, the effects is we're still doing.
Okay, cool. This is John Pepper now, drink some fucking water.
Yo, I'm tired. Nah, I'm kidding. It's grind all day, all night, bro.
Okay, what's happening?
We just edit the music video. It's looking dope and nicely as fuck.
Okay.
For sure, you guys gotta see it. I'm gassed, man.
How long have you been doing this?
Yo, today we've been here for a night. Mo, how long? Mo, 9, 10 hours?
We've been here for a while.
Yeah, a while. And yesterday we was out for like at for like 6 hours, Patrik. Yeah.
Yeah, probably something like
Yeah,
that.
6 hours, and yesterday after that, the day after that again, we was out for like 10 hours. So we grinding, man.
Shit,
and now the
many
music video
hours?
is coming out on Monday, man. We grinding and we staying
It's
grinding.
coming in like 30 hours.
Yeah, it's fucked up,
It's
man.
like 30 hours.
Like I can't believe this shit. It's just
Oh
dope.
my god. And when you see this video, it's probably just like 24 hours exact, because this video is probably coming out like around 12. So then it's
Yeah, for
just
sure.
24 hours.
For sure.
So man, you think you have done a good job today? You
Yeah,
are the
yeah,
CMO and
yeah.
P.Daddy, so
Yeah, I
everybody's
feel
going
it.
to look at your work today.
Yeah,
Of course, you have the teacher right here, the God, the Godfather.
Yeah.
But again, I think you guys have been a good team. Do you think you can go good for this work today and say you're proud of it when people see it?
I'm the CMO for a reason, bro.
Okay.
I'm not a dumb nigga. I know my stuff.
You're not that dumb nigga.
I know my stuff, but fuck school, cause like that
You're
shit
a
is.
dropout,
I'm
but
a
you
dropout.
feeling like a star.
So it's coming out a new single on me, Dropout. So stay tuned for that too.
That is
And,
coming in April. And
April
this
or
is the
something
agent,
else.
his agents also.
This is my agency.
Most is
over
going
there.
to work as a full-time agent for this
is
guy.
Mo, my
Yeah.
cameraman, my agency.
So he's going to
and,
make this guy fucking famous.
And this is P. Show yourself, bro.
Oh my
on
God.
the camera.
Oh,
This is
shit.
P, man. Behind the scenes, man.
Cooking
making
it up,
all
man.
this shit.
Cooking it up,
making
you know?
this platform be bigger and bigger every day. And he putting me to work, man.
Yeah, can you tell them a little bit about how am I as a manager
like-
making you work compared to how you
Like-
worked before?
Like he made it seems easy because like he makes me so motivated that I feel like this is what I should do. So like so it's easy but it's hard at the same time. So
Yeah.
like cause it's.
Do you have a lot of tasks? Do you have a lot of requirements to be in a label?
Yeah.
How do you think I'm pushing you? Do you think it's too hard or it's
Nah, man, this is destiny.
Do you think it's too hard for you, man?
Nah, man, I was born to do this shit. I've been born for day one to be with doing music and art and stuff like that. So like, you're giving me more out there.
Gasoline on the fire.
Yeah, you're putting
Yeah.
the gasoline on the car so we can drive home, you know?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we're
We're gonna eat today, man.
Yeah,
we're gonna eat this year,
We're gonna
man.
eat.
We're gonna eat,
So
man.
stay tuned. Music video coming already on Monday. Some Dropout by
shit.
merch and stuff like that. And
And
so
we're going to actually look a little bit now. Sneak peek. Shit, man, this guy, look at this, man. So guys, that was the vlog for today. Now the night is going to go to set up the website, finish that, put up the YouTube video and put a timer on that so we can have a countdown to when it's dropping in 23 hours. And then again, we're going also to have to start making some ads right now that we're going to push out to the market and really start to freaking get some traction on the video even before we launch the full one, because we're just going to put some clips now and then we're going to put the whole video, as I said, on a counter, so everybody's going to see the teasers and go in and see that it's dropping in maybe 12 hours, 14 hours. So that's going to be a crazy thing, so I'm looking very much forward to that. So now the clock is 9:30 p.m. Sunday, and I'm looking very much forward to tomorrow. But right now, probably looking at 5 to 6 more hours of working before sleeping for 5 hours, and then getting up early as fuck to get all of this shit done, so we can really get this video up and try to get it viral, because that is the point. So I hope you guys are going to help me with that, to get this video viral. And we have really worked hard this time, and we have put in maybe seriously 70 hours in 4 days. So we are really putting in the hours right now to make this video pop, and make the song pop, and make the text pop, and make the ad pop. But the team have really done what it should. This was the first task the team got together, and I think we killed it, man. As a first video, I think we killed it. And just keep in mind, we have used $0 to none dollars to make this music video. We just used our cameras and phones and and just our imagination to find the best locations to shoot this video. So I think it turned out sick, just to be. It's totally in-house made. We have not outsourced anything, and we're not going to outsource anything. We are going to do the marketing. We're going to do the videoing. We're going to do the editing. We're going to do the producing of the music. We're going to do the rapping, trapping, hip hopping, popping and sopping. We do everything inside, in-house, inside the corporation, inside P.Daddy Promotions, and I think we're really going to pop, man. I think really this is going to happen. Seriously, I really think these guys are going to make it pop, because this is just one of their songs, okay? Every song is a banger. It's exactly the same. It's a banger, and they're different, but all of them are bangers. Nothing is trash. Everything these guys are going to put out are bangers. So this song is going to take us viral, because it's the hottest topic right now, and we're capitalizing on that. Just as I said in an earlier video, you have to find ways to capitalize on big crisis or downfall in economy like this. Then you have to find your opportunity, because everybody's procrastinating or losing money or getting smaller. So find your path to use this kind of situation as your advantage, and fucking 10x everything you do in your work, man. Because this is what we're doing right now. Sorry of the helicopter. It's been very much helicopters over here today. Military helicopters. We're shutting down every airport. This is crazy situation. Holla at you from Norway, as I said. So you have to really find your path when you have a crisis like this, so you can really ignite your career and get really good at what you're doing and crush your competition. Today we are doing many things that are going to get us ahead of the competition. We are working through all the weekend, every day. That's one thing. We're not quitting from 9 to 5. We work until we're done, till we fall asleep, and then we work again when we wake up. The next thing that is right now, everybody's procrastinating. Everybody is shutting down, staying at home, staying in quarantine. We also staying in quarantine, so just driving car from our house to their house, not getting in contact with anybody else. So chill. We're trying also to get this fucking coronavirus to go away, but we are still grinding. We are still working as hard as we can. We have put the studio we was renting, as I said in yesterday's vlog, all the equipment in my house, so we can do all in-house, not stopping there, but we're using the topic Corona to get ahead and making a song of Corona right now. And also we're going to get out with a new album in the middle of May, latest middle of May. But after that we're going to come out with a new music video, a new song every week from every artist. Every year, the whole year, we're going to do this. Every week is a new song and a new video, and every 70 days is going to come a new album dropping from each artist every 70 days with 10 fresh songs you have never heard before. So really going to just feed the market and ride the wave as long as we can to squeeze as much money and clout out of the market as fast as fucking possible, man. So stay tuned to see the journey. We're going to take up and take P.Daddy and the artist to a next level in 2020. Mark my words. So again, thank you guys for tuning in today also. If you have stayed tuned until the end, you're a fucking real one, and I really appreciate it. So as always, remember, do your hustle, make your money, and do whatever the fuck you want to do in life. Peace, man.